So add a little bit of oil to the pan. Oil to that one as well. So I'm gonna take this, which is baked beans. I'm right into this pan. Ground turkey. For the broccoli, I have a little bit of olive oil. The cheesy broccoli. All right, now we're gonna take the buns and toast them a little bit. Got some baked beans here as well. Yum yum, right? Alright, so we have our dinner here. We have our Sloppy Joe sliders, baked beans, and broccoli. Looks so good, right? Try the broccoli. So good.
So we're excited. So sometimes we bring out like our little excited voice, but trust me, we talk to him in a tone.
Like Cole ain't doing some bad stuff in the back. True, because
So good.
slower to